Hi, I'm John Sanders, the CEO and founder of HydroKleen. We developed the HydroKleen system for ductless air conditioning cleaning back in 2009. Since then we have grown that we now deliver over 1 million air conditioner cleans every year in over 40 countries across the world. A key to our success has been our comprehensive training programs. We train over 120 people a year in our training room right here on the Gold Coast in Australia. Our course is well respected because it spans across all workplace health and safety, cleaning practices, including not just wall-mounted split systems, but also ceiling cassettes, under-ceiling units, room air conditioners and floor-mounted units. In the absence of any accredited training course or any standard for cleaning air conditioners anywhere in the world, HydroKleen provide the best training in the market for effective cleaning and business success. That's just another reason why HydroKleen are the wet wash professionals.